Hi, welcome to Crisis Communication Chatbot. So today we'll be providing a solution through a website for the respective problems over here. So the first problem, the symptoms capturing and providing the guidelines. The secondly, we'll be going through the general queries regarding COVID-19 and showing the stats as per the countries and showing by the nearby medical facilities. So we couldn't implement the fourth one, so we'll be providing it as a future scope. So directly moving into the architectural diagram where there is a user which speaks to our Angular application which is built on Angular 8, and that Angular 8 speaks to the Node.js server to speak to the Watson assistant. This Watson assistant is logically configured to provide the answers to my chatbot. So this Watson assistant speaks to the cloud functions to get some resources from the external database, external APIs, or through IBM Discovery. So this IBM Discovery speaks to statistical data or some other data sources to collect the data and provide me the response accordingly. So we have used this Cloud in DB to store those responses or to store that queries which we couldn't provide a solution to it for future analysis. We'll be doing a statistics on it, and we will be doing an analysis on it and providing a better solution. So we're directly taking you to the landing page of this application. So this is the landing page of the application, and as you can see, the general guidelines, the most important guidelines about staying at home, about social distancing, and obviously not forgetting about washing your hands. So this is the global data that you can see over here, the global statistics, which is around 3% increase in covered cases today. So total confirmed cases, it shows around 28,94,000 around that. So I'll be taking you to another country from here, selecting any country you want, and you can see the statistics over here, which is around 0.95% increase. So this is the virtual map representation, the graphical map representation. So if I hover over India, I can see that today the confirmed cases is around 26,283. If I hover around the United States of America, it's around 37,000. And you can see the total recovered and the total death as well for the respective countries. Going to the next part of it, it's a general guidelines section. These general guidelines are according to the World Health Organization and the CDC website. You can read more through this World Health application. So this is about the recent news. The recent news are sorted according to the popularity and it is collected from the news API, where you can go through and read more about this news and get more updates about COVID-19. Directly coming up into the chatbot, the solution for it. So it greets me with good morning and asks me whom I am speaking to. So this is a read through. This is already through, and it asks me how are you doing today. So this how are you doing today is the pain point where we are capturing the symptoms of the users and providing guidelines, and these guidelines are according to the CDC and World Health Organization's guidelines about how we are and what are the instructions that we need to do. So I'm directly going to how I'm unwell today. So it takes me to the symptoms testing test and asks me about my age. So I provided my age 24. Do I have fever? No, I don't have a fever. It asks me, do I have cough? Yes, I have it. And do I have a breathing problem? No, I don't have a breathing problem. It takes me to the most important thing around whether I'm a health worker or I have a travel history. I don't have any of this. And do I have any of the following diseases? If I have something, I will select it. Let me, just for the demonstration purpose, I'm selecting this hypertension part, and it provides me about the solution. It provides me to take regular medicines and consult with my doctor if there is something that I need to worry about. And about the general guidelines is according to that we have seen over here as well. And the next part that we are going to is the general statistics, general queries regarding COVID. So let me ask you about the basic question, what is COVID? So it provides me what is COVID. And there are multiple of general questions that you can ask, for example, about mask, wearing mask or something. So it provides you the suggestions accordingly. I will go directly to the next part of the solution, that is showing the statistics about different countries. So new cases in India. So it provides me in a graphical format about the new cases in India, the total confirmed cases, the total recovered cases and anything. And it asks me directly for another country. Let me try for Australia and see if things are coming up. Yes, this is the number of cases that you can see that are coming up with the graphical representation. So this is the total solution that we have built up to find a solution to those problems. And hope you like it.